Let's perform a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, and let's get right into it. So let's open the box. There you go, and the bottom part as well. All right. There we go. Here is our phone. We're gonna take a look into our phone a bit later, just in a second. First, we're gonna see what we can find inside this paper box over here, because we should be able to take it out. And let's see. So here is everything that we have inside, all these accessories that you should be able to find. So we have the SIM eject tool, we have some papers, we have the quick start guide, and so on and so forth. This is not that important, I guess. And of course, we have the USB-C cable. It is USB-C on both ends for charging and transferring data, of course. And that seems to be it in terms of accessories. So, unfortunately, not much. But now, we're gonna take a look at the phone itself. So, this is how the phone looks like right now. There we go. We can, of course, close it pretty easily. You can also take this one out. There we go. So here we have the small screen. And of course, we can just open it to unfold it. And that's pretty much it. Nothing much going on over here. We have two buttons over here, I suppose. Is it actually? So I think, oh, these are volume buttons. This seems to be the power button. And there is also the SIM tray. At the top, we can find two dots over here. The charging port, speaker, microphone. And that seems to be it. So, that's all we can get inside the box. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.